Keep watching today's video to learn my 3 favorite core exercises that are going to reduce and eliminate low back pain. I get asked all the time, Dr. J, as a chiropractor, what do you feel are the most important exercises to get rid of lower back pain? Well, there's not really an exercise to get rid of lower back pain. With lower back pain, first of all, you have to figure out where is it coming from? What's the cause? It could be your lumbars, it could be your pelvis, it could be your muscles. It could actually be coming from a problem in your knees or your ankles or your gait. So first you have to figure out where is it coming from, and then you have to be proactive rather than reactive. And so here are 3 of my favorite exercises to become more proactive, meaning you're building your core. Remember, core means every muscle around and supporting your spine, okay? And so my 3 exercises are not even close to including your standard crunches. For most people, a crunch or a sit-up puts way too much added force onto your lower back, and it's just gonna add insult to injury. And so what we wanna do is figure out how can we work the entire core with just a few specific movements. So stay tuned, all 3 are gonna blow your mind. Exercise number 1 to build a healthy core is the standard age-old plank. So what you want to do, get down on your forearms, pop that pelvis up. You want to try to stay as parallel to the ground as possible. Try to roll your shoulder blades down and back and pretend like you're tucking or pinching your belly button into your spine. But while you're doing that, remember to continue to breathe. And you just hang out here for about 30 seconds, maybe a minute. If you're really strong, maybe 2 minutes. If you can't do this, start on your knees. And again, just make sure you're nice and straight and you're engaging the core the entire time. The second exercise I love to build your core and reduce and eliminate lower back pain, side plank. Just like the normal plank, make sure you're not dipping down too far, make sure you're not coming up too far. You want to be nice and straight. So you want to think one straight line. If you can't do this up off the ground, you can actually bend the bottom leg and go right here as a starting position. You can always make these more difficult by bringing a leg up, bringing an arm up, starting to do a plank dip. You can always make it more difficult if you need to. Side plank. The third and probably the most ignored is the bridge. And so when you're bridging, it's just like everything else. You want to keep everything nice and tight and nice and straight. The bridge is going to actually start to stimulate and work the posterior chain. So you're not getting all front, not all side. You're working the entire core, everything surrounding and supporting your spine and your lumbars. And so these 3 exercises together will really engage everything, strengthen you, and you'll slowly start to feel stronger and a lot less pain, if any pain at all. But remember, first, you have to get to the cause. Sometimes, guys, health can be difficult and extremely confusing. If you liked this video and you want more health tips, tricks, hacks to really simplify health, make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you follow us on Facebook. Make sure you're getting to our website so that you can learn what you can implement every single day so that you can take your health into your own hands. Every week we have a new video coming out regarding our 5 essentials. Each week is a different essential. Each week is a different tip that you can implement today. Talk to you soon, guys.